Namaste my dear friend, my name is Tara. Here we are learning Ardha Behikasana. Ardha means half, Behika means frog. So it's a half frog pose. In yoga classes or gym, mainly we work to strengthening the quads. This is a quad stretching pose. So the main focus is to stretch the quads, to release the quads after you have done lots of strengthening with your quads. Before going to go further into the practice, safety is first. And what are the safety? If you have ankle pain or injuries in your ankles, if you have injury in your knee or your hip or your lower back or your shoulders or the neck, you should avoid this pose or practice under teacher's guidance. The rest can enjoy. There are more benefits come along with the practice. So as we go into the pose, we'll see more and more benefits will come. So let's start the practice. Lying on your belly, keeping your feet close to each other, feet apart, hip width distance. So you come on your forearm and lift your chest slightly up off the mat. Then from here, I'm going to demonstrate with my left leg. So you can see it clearly from here. I'm moving my right forearms in. As you can see, my right finger is facing in now. I can move it more inward, so support myself easily. Now from here, I'm going to bend my left leg. And then I'm holding my left foot with my left hand. I'm holding from inside, and then now watch carefully. I'm rolling my hands and moving my fingers down. Now fingers pointing down towards the ankle and using my wrist on my toes to press down. Inhaling, chest up, looking forward. With exhalation, start moving heel closer down towards the mat. So the heel is coming beside my hip. Inhale, feel relaxed. Exhale, go more deeper into the pose. Stay here, count 5. 1, 2, keep breathing. 3, 4, 5. Inhale, relax, little bit relax. Exhale, push down more deeper into the pose. Stay here, count 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was a great quad stretch. So when I was doing the pose, not only the benefit was coming for the quads, as you can see, it's also a back extension, back bending pose too. I was stretching my ankles, strengthening my ankles, strengthening my knees same time, stretching my quads, stretching the inner hip flexors, stretching and strengthening my back, upper back, and doing the back extension for my lower back, chest opening, strengthening my neck, strengthening my arms which was on the mat. So there's so many benefits comes along with the practice. The one pose gives you a lot of benefits. Practice one side and then practice other side with same count. Get into the pose, stay in the pose, count 5. Do the repetitions, hold, release, and go more deeper into the pose. Hold your pose again, count 5. Like this, practice both sides, improve your practice, enjoy your practice.
Dear friend, if you like my video, please hit the like buttons. Don't forget to subscribe. Share your comments below. Thank you. Namaste.